The upcoming Community Scholars Lecture is focusing on the necessary attention that needs to be given to people who are going outside of themselves in these fields as care workers and as educators to make sure that they too are well.
It's tough to see the things we carry into the classroom with us, and we're expected to just carry on like there's nothing going on with us, like everything is perfect in the world. There's no sustained focus on educator wellness. Oftentimes, I don't even think that we realize that there's something going on with us until it's too late, until we're already too far into the burnout cycle to be able to turn back from it.
We're all on this quest to really allow people who wouldn't ever think of themselves in this wellness space, who might not feel a sense of belonging, to say, no, you are welcome, like this is for you too. Wellness, health, well-being, healing looks like you.